Hello, I'm Sara and welcome back to Sara TV. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to transform myself in a completely different person with the help of a wonderful catfish wig I've got from Amazon. I'm super enjoying changing my appearance. This is what I'm going to show you today. I hope you're going to enjoy, but before we get started, make sure to subscribe my channel and leave me a like. Thank you, and let's start. So guys, this is the wig I've ordered 2 days ago and it arrived yesterday. It's by Kailis. And it costs 19 euros. It's synthetic hair. It has this super cute bangs. The hair feels a little hard, not as soft, and the hair isn't that tangly. It's easy to brush through even with your fingers or nails, and it has this cute bangs in front of it, so you don't need to stress yourself out with the lace front wig like I did in the past. It is horrible. It's about, I've just measured it, it's about 36 centimeter long. Yeah, I can show you the inside, the cap. This cap, by the way, suits to my head perfectly. It fits perfectly. This is the inside. Something that is kind of negative, they didn't send me any wig caps with it. I'm going to put the link down below because you should definitely try out this wig. It's very easy to handle. It's looking so natural. It's not that it's not shiny. Even if it's synthetic hair, it's not shiny. It feels maybe a little bit more like plastic, but just don't let anyone touch your hair. Yeah, I'm going to cut the bangs definitely today. But for changing my appearance completely, I need to get rid of this makeup. So now I'm makeup free, and now I'm going to put on the wig. Should I also put on the wig cap? And I'm going to cut the bangs. I have to take care that my hair is not sticking out of the wig. So this is how she looks like. So pretty already. But it's usual, if you buy wigs with bangs, you always have to cut the bangs. And for that I'm going to hide them and put sections away out of my face and cut them as always, section by section. Okay, as you guys can see, I have to cut, look, I have to cut a lot. I'm going to cut a little longer in the first place and then I'm going shorter. I think I'm going to cut these also, but why is so much on this side? I don't like that. This looks a little bit Japanese right now. You know these Japanese hairstyles? This is better. So I want to have it a little like a micro bang style, because I've always loved micro bang, and this is the hairstyle I'm going for right now. And by the way, this wig is very comfy to wear, but look at the sides, you can pull it behind your ear. So now I'm happy with this cut. I wanted to have that short, I wanted to have little micro bangs, and this is how it looks like. Now I've got a little bit experience with wigs, with cutting synthetic hair, because it's different than cutting natural hair. I didn't even needed my thinning knives that I've also bought for this wig to cut her. Yeah, and now I'm going to put on some makeup to transform in a different person. So now I'm almost done with my makeup. Should we put on the wig first? Ooh. This already looks so different. Yes, and that's it. That's the complete look. This is how I transform myself into a completely different person, only with the help of this super cute, super cheap catfish wig. What do you think? Please tell me your comments, please tell me your opinion in the comments down below. What do you think about this look? Do you think this suits me? Do you think this suits to me well? I actually super enjoying it, changing my appearance like so differently. And I also like this wig. It's so cute, it's so easy to wear, it's super comfy, and it's also easy to style and to cut. You should definitely try it out. I'm going to put the link of the wig in my description down below if you want to try it out. I'm thanking you so much for watching my video till the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. We will see us next week, and bye.